G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. We've gone and done it again. We bought another BMW. Again, this is an X3 F25. Bought it sight unseen from the auctions. We're down in Melbourne and this one came from the auctions up in Sydney, but it certainly looked the part. This one, again, is the 20D. It's got the B47, not the N47, which is the motor that doesn't have the timing chain issues. And yeah, here it is, pretty much first walk around. We just picked it up from the trucking depot and it's just turned up. So everything that we're seeing so far is looking really, really good. No dents, and we're going to give it a wash because it desperately needs a wash, but that's when you find out where it's really at so far as panel damage or anything like that. The wheels don't look too scratched up. There's 4 brand new run flat tires on it, so I'm very happy about that. Won't be spending any money on that for a while, but yeah, looking really good, really straight. I'll pop the bonnet, have a look under there. It's looking decidedly dirty under the bonnet, so the whole thing, it just needs a good old polish. And you have a look at that, she's just dirty. Been sitting around in yards, you can see the dust and so forth and the standard debris. A lot of the cars that go to auction are company cars. I'm assuming that's the case with this. It's not 100,000 kilometers, but it's got the upgraded headlights. It's got the bi-xenon headlights in it, which means there'll be brilliant headlights. So yeah, very happy. All very clean, very straight. As I said though, she's looking dirty, but all the things that matter, you're looking for oil, you're looking for soot, looking for leaks. There's the turbo down there. It all just needs a good old clean, a good old wash. But apart from that, it's looking good. One of the ways to see if your car's been looked after so far as servicing is just have a look at the air cleaner. So here we go, had to get a screwdriver to get that off. Just pull this out. There you go, 5/3/19 is the date on that. Genuine BMW. So we'll pull it out and have a look. So there we go, she's out. Looking pretty black on the bottom. It's not too bad as far as dust and dirt, but certainly discoloration. That's showing the pollution and muck that's been drawn into it. You see on the sides there, it's a bit the same. More importantly though, is this cracking that's taking place here. That's been either put in not right or stressing, sometimes sucking down really hard. So we'll get a new one of these and swap him out. Okay, so I've just lifted the engine cover off. I had a look, and the BMWs come with a little bit of foam here. This is a noise deadening just to quieten them down a little bit. And under there, I mean, have a look at that. That's all looking day one, absolutely brand new. So happy with that. PCV there, nothing leaking, nothing leaking. Yeah, all looking the part, looking good. I'm happy. I drove this home, just went and picked it up from the transporter company and drove it home, and very strong in the motor. Feeling good, doing all the right things. So yeah, I think she's an absolute winner. See how long we keep it. I seem to have a thing with BMWs. So this one here now is going to be out for sale. That's my dad's car, the one in front. We've just sold that for him, and now this black one will go. She's a ripper, been an awesome car for us, but it's time for that one to head out the door. Okay, so here we go. This looks a little bit different. Now, this is just wiped down with a dry towel. No product, anything like that, just wiping it with a dry towel, getting all the dust off, getting all the dirt off, all the soot and so forth, and it just looks a billion times better. So that's under the bonnet, all wiped down and clean, looking so much better. And once I did that, we then gave it a wash. And when you give a car a wash, that's when you discover how it is for stone chips and for dents and marks and scratches. And the report on this is extremely good. The wheels are a bit ordinary, they've got a few scratches and marks on them. But the paint on the car itself is absolutely brilliant. The condition of the taillights gives me the impression it's probably been kept in a garage. So really, really impressed. So she's had her first wash. The only thing is, on the bonnet, there's quite a few stone chips. But again, that's just something that we can fix up without too much issue. You see, I come from this side. You see there's a stone chip there. There's a couple there. And have a look at the video I've got here of how to do up your stone chips. I'm about to go over and do the stone chips. There's some on the back of the back door here. We'll give that a run as well. You see down there, but we can just run all of that. Start with a match. Have a look at that video and we'll give all those a touch up and make this thing look even more like $1 million.